Hi, my name is Harry Crowe with All-Star Home Group Realty, and today we're going to start on a rehab that I have partnered up with a first-time rehabber. So let me explain to you what we're going to be doing to this house. We're going to, first of all, we're going to come in here, remove all these bushes so we can see and re-landscape it so we can see the front of the house. We're going to paint the exterior wood. And come walk with me this way. We're going to replace the rotting wood beams up there. We're going to put new gutters in the house here, and then we're going to make this in a nice little patio seating area for the front of the house. We're also going to put in new front door here. Then come with me inside. I'll explain what we're going to do. These are real hardwood floors, and we're going to have them re-sanded. And depending on the price of that, and the replacement of some wood later we'll show you, is what we're going to do if we do that or we just replace it. Another thing is the fireplace over here. We have a very nice fireplace, and we haven't decided, and you viewers hopefully will give us some feedback on it. Do we leave it as is, paint it, or do we retile it with some nice stone tile? Over here, we're going to take down the paneling, sheetrock it, repaint. Over here, on this roof, you can tell how it's very low here. We're going to raise it up to this level here, move the air conditioning duct up on that. We're going to take this little wing wall out. We're going to take this bar out, and the kitchen is on the other side. We're going to open up the wall all the way into there and have an open kitchen concept. Over here, we're taking down the ceiling. We're moving it up all the way to this area here, to right about here, right about here. We're going to open up this wall where the bar is. And so this is going to be, leads over into the kitchen area here. As you can tell, we already have started the work. We're demolishing, redoing the entire kitchen. We have the gas pipe coming down here. We're going to move the gas pipe over to this wall and bring it down this wall here. Hold it. Hold it. 1 minute. 1 minute. So all this will be opened up. We're going to have a breakfast bar. All this will be new cabinet, new sinks, new granite countertops. We're going to take this wall here and we're going to extend it out to about here, put a door in here, and we're moving the refrigerator from this side to over here on this side. And so we're going to have a walk-in pantry here. Over here, we're taking all the tile out and re-flooring it with new tile. We're going to put 3 can lights on each side of this. And we're going to do an additional 2 more can lights in the kitchen. The wainscoting is all coming out. It'll be sheetrocked in. And then all new interior doors. We have this little bathroom that they made the utility room from the utility room. And so what we're going to do here is we're going to remove the bathtub. We're going to keep the sink and the toilet. So we're going to put a 32-inch door over here, right here in the wall. Over here in the garage. We're going to extend this out another foot and then wall it off here. This is going to be the utility room with access from the bathroom. I know it's a little strange, but I think it'll still work. It'll be a nice big size utility room in here. And it really doesn't, we still have that whole open space here, so it doesn't really take away much from the garage at all. If you step out over here, we have to replace some of the soffit up here at the top. Over along here, we have to replace some of the soffit too. And of course, we have to clean up the yard. Come with me back inside. We have a bedroom in here. We're going to center the ceiling fan in this room. And then come over here to the bathroom. Jack and Jill bathroom. And what we're going to do in this bathroom is totally gut it. We're going to put the shower over here. We're going to take the toilet, turn it around, face this way. All new sinks. Take the fur down, put a new can light in there, new light fixture. And all new tile on the floor and redo the walls. Here's the other bedroom. Now follow me what we're going to do here. We're going to close this closet off here. And I'll explain in a minute why we're closing this closet off. We're going to make this a closet for this room. We're going to put some bifold doors in here for the closet. I'll explain to you in a minute why we're doing that. You come over here to our roller coaster floor. We have a little bridge here. What happened was they have the water heater here. The water heater leaked, came out here, and ruined the floors, buckled the floors. So all this, as you can tell, if you look down this way, it's all buckled up. It's all buckled up along here too. So all this needs to be replaced. Now this is the master bedroom. And remember I said that closet there. The reason being is we're going to open up this wall here. And this will be an additional closet for the master bedroom, so it has two closets. This is a double door here. And we're going to make a single door, 36-inch door here. Now this is another thing that get y'all's opinion on. We haven't priced it out yet. But if we're going to make this a 36-inch door, I pick up 16 inches here. I can move this wall, not the load-bearing wall, over 16 inches, which would make a bigger closet here for this room, and also would make a larger bathroom for over here. In this bathroom, we're going to close off this door. We're going to wall it off. We're going to take the fur down out. We're going to square this up, take the shower up a little bit higher. So this way we're going to get, if we pull it 16 inches out, we're going to get a little bit larger bathroom. And hopefully we may be able to get two sinks over here on the side bathroom here.